So number 4 from paper 2 of the 2017 new hire. We've got 3 parts, there's 7 marks here. First of all, for 3 marks, simply express this in this form. Complete the square for 3 marks. So, take out that 3, because it's easy when it's just x squared, so that'll drop to an 8, but I don't want to, you can keep the 50 in if you like, but I think I'll just keep the 50 outside because it doesn't divide very nicely anyway. Then this is the part that you can tidy up. So if that's the expansion of square the first, square the last, twice the product, that must have been x plus 4, in which case square the last means that must have been plus 16. And if you put in 3 lots of 16, which is 48, to balance it I should take that off. So I've got plus 2, and that would be it done, unless it said what are the values of a, b and c. And it doesn't say that, but then you're never sure, so I might just write down a is 3, b is 4, c is 2, but I'm pretty sure that wasn't required because it didn't actually say stating the values of a, b and c. Now part B, given that f of x is equal to this, find f dashed x. And that's 2 marks. Multiply by the power, take 1 off the power. Multiply by the power, take 1 off the power. Multiply by the power, 2 times 24, take 1 off the power. If you like, multiply by the powers 1 so it stays at 50. And then power 0 disappears, so you just think, it's a linear term, so it'll just be the coefficient, and of course that's constant, so it doesn't change, that disappears. Well, that appears to get you 2 marks. Now, hence or otherwise, explain, I suppose otherwise might be by drawing a table of signs, a nature table. Hence or otherwise, explain why the curve with this equation, y equals f of x, is strictly increasing. Well, if y equals f of x, and f dashed x is equal to this, that means f dashed x is equal to that. 3 times x plus 4 squared plus 2. That's the formula for the gradients. So strictly increasing means the gradient should always be positive. It's always heading upwards. Not even momentarily across the way. It's strictly increasing, always heading upwards. And that is, we have to give a reason why that is always greater than 0. So I'll say this. Since x plus 4, well, it doesn't actually matter what's inside, since anything squared is greater than or possibly equal to 0, that means that 3 times it will make no difference, and plus 2 will definitely put it above 0. So there's no equal to in this, which means f dashed x is always greater than 0, which means, says the curve, but you could really just talk about the actual function itself, so I'll just put f of x. F of x is strictly increasing. The alternative would be to use a table and show which way it was heading.